Benchmark Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Benchmark Email are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Benchmark Email, a user-friendly and robust email marketing tool designed for businesses of all sizes, especially small to medium-sized enterprises. Benchmark Email makes creating and sending campaigns straightforward, offering a solid set of features at an affordable price point. The platform's drag-and-drop email editor is intuitive, allowing users to easily create professional-looking emails without any design experience. It provides customizable templates that can be tailored to fit your brand, helping you maintain consistency across all your campaigns. For users who need a more hands-on approach, Benchmark also offers HTML email editing for advanced customization. One of the standout features of Benchmark Email is its automation capabilities. You can set up automated workflows to send welcome emails, follow-ups, and re-engagement campaigns based on specific triggers, which saves you time and ensures that your audience is always nurtured. The list segmentation tool further enhances your ability to send targeted messages to different groups, increasing the relevance of your content and improving engagement rates. Benchmark Email also excels in its analytics and reporting. It provides detailed insights into the performance of each campaign, from open rates and click-through rates to bounce rates. This data allows you to make data-driven decisions and optimize future campaigns for better results. The platform is also designed with compliance in mind, ensuring that your emails follow GDPR and other data protection laws, which is a huge plus for businesses concerned about privacy regulations. Additionally, Benchmark offers 24/7 customer support, ensuring that help is always available whenever you need it. In conclusion, Benchmark Email is a powerful tool that strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and functionality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, it provides the tools needed to create effective campaigns. Check the description for more details and links.